Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is JanTube here. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm Boxyluxe unboxing. I did receive that box, so here it is. We're gonna be unboxing this. So I haven't put out a video in a hot minute, so I'm like,
you know what, I have to put something out.
The lighting does look a little bit different. My lighting, I'm getting new lighting fixtures and everything's kind of like being moved around, and so right now it's just the ring light and some natural lighting on this foggy day. So hopefully you guys can see it well enough. But yeah, so definitely like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, click the bell notification to be notified of any future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay everybody, so I went ahead and fixed some lighting so it's a little bit brighter in here for you guys. You can see my flaws and my sins. So yeah, so we are, like I said, we're gonna be unboxing the BoxyCharm Boxyluxe box that we receive every 3 months. If y'all are not familiar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription. You can do the BoxyCharm, which is a regular box for $25 and receive, I think it's like up to like $125 value in your box. You can receive the BoxyCharm Premium, which is $35 a month. And I'm not sure the pricing of that. I'll pop it up here on the screen. And then you could also receive Boxyluxe, but Boxyluxe is gonna be in replace of your $25 box every 3 months. So you will get charged $25 every month, but on every 3 months, on top of that $25, I'll charge you another $25 and you'll receive this one. If you are subscribed to BoxyCharm Premium as well, you will also receive that every month and this one every 3 months. So let's say the 3rd month rolls around, you will receive this box and your premium box, but you will not receive that regular $25 box just because this one is in replace of that one. My voice has gone out. I was doing some TikTok. Definitely add me on TikTok. It's at JamieXO, but it's JAMIIEXO. And also, if you haven't followed me on my other Instagram, y'all already know what I'm talking about with this hand sanitizer, honey. I ain't playing. I am not playing. But so definitely get on there, follow me on all my social media platforms. Follow me on Instagram, that's at JamieXO_. My Twitter's at JamieXO. So it's also, I'll just put everything up here so you can see it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started in this unboxing. So this box is shaped differently. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, I'm kind of excited. I haven't received a Boxyluxe in 3 months because I send it to you every 3 months. So let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so I will say it's a little box. Now this is my thing with BoxyCharm, you guys. It's so, I don't know if they've gotten lazy with things, but like, you receive in like your BoxyCharm boxes, you receive like that plush stuff, like it's like really soft. Now we're receiving paper. So we're just gonna set that aside. So this Boxyluxe, now I didn't do like the whole, because you can do add-ons, you can select one item in your box, you can do like the choosing and stuff like that of one item and stuff. And I didn't do all that. I just wanted them to send me the box, so they did. This is not sponsored, I'm not affiliate with them. I do pay for these myself. So right off the bat that I do see here, which is something that I probably wouldn't wear unless I'm like dressing up in drag, but are these earrings. So they're like this regular hoop earrings, medium size, and they have like studs going around them, and they're by Zaxy. By Stephanie Taylor. And the retail price on these are $32 for that one. So I don't know if you guys can see that. $32. Okay. Let me find, see if they have that. See, that's the thing. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna give you my opinion. They don't, my last few boxes that I received from BoxyCharm, I have not received the card. They normally send you a card and it tells you verbatim what the item is, what's it about, who makes it, and what the retail price is. And this is like the 3rd box that I've received, and I have not received a card to break down the pricing for you guys. So for that, I apologize. But these earrings are $32, more paper. Okay, so the next item that I do see in here are these two. Okay, so these are I've heard about these before. So these are the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. So one is a Cocoa Cabana cream, and the other one is a Brazilian Bum Bum cream. And so these are fast absorbing body cream, helps visibly tighten the appearance of skin. Okay. And this one is Moisture Plush Cream, hugs your body with deep hydration for skin that feels soft and bouncy and looks irresistibly touchable. These
sound like some 50 Shades of Grey type of creams, honey.
So we got these. Again, I do not have the cards, so I cannot break down the pricing for you guys. Like I said, they haven't been sending the cards out. So I will try to look these up and I'll put the price in my description for you guys. The next item that I see in this box, which is I've heard about this one and I did see this like on the website. So it's the Sutra Beauty, the 19mm 0.75 inch mini ceramic curling iron with loop tip. Pastel yellow is the color. So let's open this up and see how she looks. I don't know when I'm gonna use it. I don't curl my hair, but if it's a mini one and
I feel like bouncing my
curls are doing something, then you know what? I'm gonna do it. So it comes in this little pouch, like little baggie here. If I can get it out, okay. Oh, this is cute though, but I'm not even gonna tell y'all what it looked like. So when I hold it up, you guys just form your own opinion, okay? So it's definitely a mini type of curling iron. You turn it on here, turn it off, and it plugs in. The cord's just an average cord, but it's like a mini like little wand curling iron where you can just plug it up and start curling away. So we did receive her. Let's set her aside. So the next item that I see is by Blush. So it's a blush, but it's when limited edition design. Who's it by? Elizabeth Mott. Elizabeth Mott is the brand. This was made in South Korea. So it's cute. It has like little lemons on the packaging. Just like my nails, I got like little lemons and stuff on my nails.
Wet fruit, wet.
Okay, so let's see how this looks. Show Me Your Cheeks blush. Yeah, Elizabeth Mott. It's has a little citrus smell too, but it's not a bright blush. So that's the only thing. Let me see if I can possibly swatch it. Yeah, it's a very neutral, natural blush. So if you're the type that wants a natural blush and you got this in your box, then you're gonna like that. Me, I like to be able to see the blush, so. Okay, so next we have the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. So this is pretty cool. So I think it takes batteries. Let's see. Ooh. It comes with a battery because that's what popped out. Okay, so it comes with a battery and then it comes with like the little, whatever that is. I don't know what that is. What is that? Does it go here? Does it hold it? I don't know what that's for. I'll have to look at it. But I think, yeah, I think you screw this part off, okay? And then it says plus side in. I'm not gonna do all that right now, but it does come with a battery. You put the battery in there and then you put whatever face like moisturizer you wanna use and you just go ahead and you just clean your face with it. And it's supposed to do wonders, so. I did get, okay, honestly, y'all are gonna like drag me. I don't have anything NARS, so this is like the first NARS product that I received, and it's a lipstick, and this one is in the shade Lowrider. So it's like a liquid lip. I'm not sure if it's matte. Okay, so it's a Power Matte lip pigment.
Coronavirus!
No, I do not have it. Let's just, no. So this is how it comes in. I'm sure a lot of you guys have already opened your boxes. I'm just late to doing this. So this is it here. Let me give it a little swatch on my back of my hand so you guys can see the color. So that is the color. It's like a coral, kind of like a coral mauve red. Right now I have on the Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss. I forgot the color, but.
She glossy.
So the next item that I have in this box is a Sponge L Freshy Up Hair. So it's a Beyond Cleansing Sponge. So body wash infused buffer. So I'm guessing you go ahead and wet it and there's already soap in it, and I think you get like a few uses out of it and you can still use it. So, and this is how that looks. So it comes like this, you wet it and then you start scrubbing away.
Go out there. Fuck.
Fuck.
Okay everybody, so the last item out the box is the BoxyCharm palette. So this is something that I definitely was looking forward to getting. So this is the packaging for it. BoxyCharm is coming out with like their own little brand. It is cruelty-free and vegan. Is it vegan? It just says cruelty-free, so mark out the vegan. Distributed by BoxyCharm Incorporation, made in Taiwan, but it's from Miami, Florida. So this is all their packaging. It has like little Boxyluxe, BoxyCharm logos all over it, and it says Hello Charmers on the front. So let's see how this looks. Okay, so it does come with a little plastic piece over it. And the colors,
I don't see
the colors, I love the colors. They're beautiful, all separate by themselves. And it looks like you can create a couple looks with this. But these are the colors in the palette. And from the top row to the right, it looks like we have Boxy. Let's see, Boxy, Charmer, Full Size, Exclusive, Spoiler, and Luxe. That's the top row. The bottom row is Unboxing, Sneak Peek, Premium, Swipe Up, Pop Up, and Cup of Joe. And that's the bottom row. So I'm definitely gonna do a video creating a look with this palette because I definitely wanna give you guys the full like thing on it. You know, if Boxy Charm's gonna be coming out with their own brand, honey, they need to make sure that at least they have good formula. So I'm actually, let me go ahead and swatch a few of them. So let's go, we're gonna do unboxing. We're gonna swatch that one right down here. Okay. So they're very like this, it's under the lipstick. So they're not too, that one's not too pigmented. It is a darker shade. Let's try, I'm gonna try this like glitter shade above it, this teal one. Let's see how she looks. We're gonna put that above the lipstick. Again, so they're very subtle shades. They're not like super pigmented. So they're very soft. It looks like they are buildable. I can see that because all my fingers. So they are pretty colors. We will create a look with this one in one of my videos, so stay around for that. So, but yeah, but I do want to just put this out there before I end the video, but definitely practice social distancing, stay inside, let this pass, let this go through. There's a lot of people that are losing family members and losing their lives right now with this unfortunate event, with this pandemic that's going on. So to stay safe and stay clean and practice hygiene, wash your hands, literally like just kind of do what I do. If I don't realize that I didn't wash my hands, or if I did and I forget, I still wash them. If I go outside to go on a walk, I come in, I wash my hands. We leave our shoes at the front door. We spray Lysol in that area. If we have to go to the grocery store or something, we come home, we take our clothes off, we wash them right away. We are taking it very seriously. So definitely please practice hygiene.
Wash your hands, and stay inside.
Please stay inside, because there's so many of y'all young people that are like, I'm 29, but so many people out there that are like 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, like wanting to go on these vacations and stuff. And I get that this is interrupting everybody's life right now on how they live it. But I promise you, if you just stay inside and you let this pass, things will be fine. But going out and going to want to drink and do this and do that and be around crowds and crowds of people, because you're young enough to where it may not affect you like it will somebody that's older. So you may be 21, 22 and be healthy, and you may have it and not even know it, or it may affect you kind of like a common cold, but you're going around and spreading it to other people, and then you're going home and giving it to your parents, your grandparents and stuff like that. So, and then something, unfortunate can happen. So just please, social distancing, stay inside, wash your hands, and I can't even express that enough. So, okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, please like it. If you do want to be a part of Boxy Charm, I will put their link in the description below. I'm not an affiliate with them or sponsor, so it's not going to help me out either way. But if you are interested in receiving them each month, like I said, $25 for the regular box, $35 for Boxy Charm Premium, and $50 for Boxyluxe, and you get that every 3 months in replace of the $25 box. So definitely subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Please, you guys, I'm almost at 300 subscribers. Talk about me, honey. Share my page, my channel. Get people to subscribe, please, 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 please. I need to be more consistent. I know that, and posting up videos, but I also don't want to just post up so many videos at random and just random stuff and overload you guys with my videos. So that's why I kind of take my time and I do a video and I edit them and everything, and then I post it. So today is the 22nd of March. So this video hopefully will be out before the 24th. So definitely, guys, again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like this video, also hit the bell notifications to be notified for any future uploads. And without further ado,
I'm not doing an intro.
I'm not doing an intro.
And I want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time.
Guess what, bitch?